we're going to talk about some top crypto news, and we're going to do the Bitcoin weekly close, plus take a look at some meme coins, depending on what you guys request and whatnot. First and foremost, I'm going to be, when I'm streaming, I have linked the Cajun Navy to the channel. So you guys are able to donate to that organization if you would like to help those that have been impacted by Helene. Yesterday I didn't live stream because that's something I'm incredibly upset about. I've been watching everything that's been going down on one of the apps. Also, too, I have a cousin that's currently there. He's 5th generation military army in our family, and he is there with his church and couple other guys, and they are in a caravan, and they're just going around and doing what they can to help with some of the debris and help some of the people. I made a donation to him personally, and I also have heard from others and I've seen what the Cajun Navy Relief is doing. So if you all would like to help support them, if not, that is okay. If you share something, word of mouth, that helps as well. Anything helps right now. Right now we have to help we have to help people that need it and they're in dire needs of it. So I will be donating. I'll be streaming for that for quite some time. So don't send me any super chats. Don't send me anything. Donate there if you can. And again, if you can't, just posting on social media and sharing it, that speaks volumes and that helps. It really, really, really does. Also, I don't want to talk about it too much because it's my heart just goes out. It really, really does. It's something that's very near and dear to me to see other Americans struggling. And absolutely devastated. I had a cousin that was in that experienced Katrina and lost his house. So natural disasters in America they hit home. And yeah, anyways, I don't want to harp too much on it, but just know that you guys are in mine and Lo's prayers. And I've donated not only to my cousin and his and to the volunteers that he's with, but to the Cajun Navy Relief as well. And I've covered enough fuel and gas for them for a while and supplies. And I told him when they need more, just to reach out to me, and I will be sending personally to him. He doesn't have like a GoFundMe or anything like that. And he's also he's still currently serving, and this is his time off that he's giving to go do this, and very dangerous out there. I have probably about 24 videos and pictures of what he's shared with me. I posted one on X if you guys want to check it out. But let's go ahead and get into some of the top. I'm donating to the Cajun Navy. I'm going to put it on the screen really quickly. Right here, the Cajun Navy Relief. That's where I'm donating. Or that's why I have donated. And then I donated to him directly. But again, he doesn't have a GoFundMe. He just has his cell phone number. So I'm not going to be giving that out. But he's doing what he can. And, God bless him. I have a Moonbag-O-Matic. All right, let's get into some of the news that we've missed with crypto. All right, so first and foremost, Mr. Former President Trump, he went and he spoke in, I believe, Pennsylvania, where that tragedy happened last, and he was there with Mr. Elon. So this is kind of a viral picture that is everywhere. A lot of people are making fun of Elon for jumping up and being excited, and it's absolutely iconic, but it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to see. So there's that. We had to, discuss that. Interesting times that we're in. Also, too, there's a meme coin called Dark Magna, I believe. People are absolutely loving it. Loving it. You have an official NFL Seahawks blanket. Good for you, George. Love it. Go Hawks. Go Hawks. Go Hawks. So there's that. That happened yesterday. And then today it was announced, this is in the title, the UAE eliminates taxes on crypto transactions. The USA can't even classify what crypto is. So UAE, big area over there, Dubai, they love crypto. Ripple is getting a special license out there as well. There's a couple other things they have to do. Meanwhile, Ripple's getting absolutely hammered in the United States of America. Our public servants have no idea what crypto is. They don't know what to classify it as. A security? Is it a commodity? Is it property? How do we tax it? But Dubai and other countries, there are no taxes, no crypto taxes in Dubai now on transactions. Every single time you send a transaction, you swap, you do something, that's a tax hit. And I'll have Scott, I'll actually reach out to Scott. I'm going to write this down. I'm going to reach out to Scott, my CPA. And if you guys want to hire him, he's on my website. But I'll have him make a video. We'll release it next week of him breaking down what this means. But again, in the United States of America, we don't know what is what with crypto. But other countries, no taxes. Bring your business here. Come register with us. Come here. Thrive. That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing. Also, too, I want to shout out to Dubai. I was there during the floods, y'all know. Absolutely insane. It was crazy. There was insanity happening. It was tragic. A lot of people got hurt, properties, all kinds of stuff. Insane. Insane. But guess what? In Dubai, they had everything cleaned up in like a week from what I saw. Plus, when I was there, I remember the first day it was like, oh my God, you couldn't do anything. And then within days, it was so much more cleaned up. And they did so amazing. So shout out to Dubai. Really, really hats off. Shout out to Dubai. But in America, and that kind of goes back to what we're seeing in North Carolina and other parts too. Go watch those videos on that app. You'll see exactly what's going on. So shout out to Dubai for being not only getting things back to normal when there was, God forbid, a natural disaster, but no crypto taxes on transactions. Amazing. Outstanding. We love it. We love it. Shout out to Singapore. Can't tax each cryptocurrency transaction. Oh, yes, they can. Oh, yes, they can, honey. They can. All right, let's go ahead. Let's do a little Bitcoin market update over here, and then we'll see if we got any good memes. All right. So taking a look at the daily on what is this over here? And again, you guys, I apologize that I was streaming a little bit late. I've been up since we had an earthquake, 4.7 that happened in Ontario, California. Lo and I felt it. She was sleeping, so she didn't feel anything. She had her feet in my face and my tummy. It reminded me when I was carrying her, because when I was carrying her in my belly, that little girl, boop, 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 nonstop. But she slept through it. But then I was up at 4, and then I went back to bed. I woke up at 7. I started cooking. This morning I did breakfast burritos, beans, tater tots, breakfast sausages, fresh avocado, eggs with American cheese. And then I've been making those easy bombs from TikTok Shop. I made that today. So I made the birria. I got the beef roast. I did four cups of a beef broth, organic beef bone broth, and then I did onions because I like onions, and then I put a little cinnamon and sugar because I do that, and then I put the bomb in. So, and then I did a fruit platter for the kids. So I've been like busy. Plus I did like 3 loads of laundry and cleaning the house because we're having lots of people. But anyways, let's go. So that's why I was streaming late. But anyways, let's get into it. Apologies. All right. So we got PopCat on the daily up 14.7%. Meme coins are leading. Bonk, Whiff, PP. On the week, PopCat is the only thing that's up. FTT is a meme coin at this point. Hex. Shout out to the Hexicans again. So what are we seeing here? What is the trend we're seeing? Meme coins are pumping harder than traditional assets. And I made a video for you guys. Let me pop it up. I would really appreciate if you guys go back and watch this. Primarily because right now the cycle is meme coins. It is absolutely meme coins. That's where people are making money. Are we going to see the top 100, 200 pump again? Hopefully, but right now that's not what it's looking like. So right now it's this video here. Bad news, top cryptos last cycle are done. What does that mean? It means top 100, top 200, some of these top coins, they're not performing like everyone's anticipated. Right now, all of the liquidity, all the action is meme coins. And the thing with meme coins is people know what to expect. People know with meme coins, there's serious risk. 99% of these are probably going to go to zero. And then the ones that surprise you, Iggy's mother, the PopCats, the Whiffs, all of that stuff. The DMAGAs, I don't even know. There's just so many, and we're invested in so many. It's absolutely ridiculous. Now, that being said, how do you play those? We make moonbags. And I did this in DeFi Summer too. Is like you get into something, number goes up, 1 times, 2 times, 10 times, 100 times, and move initial investment, remove profit, and enough to pay your taxes. You have a moon bag. So if it continues to run, you just keep pulling out, or you can get back in and buy on the dips. That's how you play meme coins. Will most of you lose? Yes. Do I lose? Yes. But if you hit the right one, you will make money. So if you play these the right way, you will do well. But remember, there's risk. So that's what we're seeing. That's the current trend. And then there's a lot of arguments that people are talking about. They're like, oh, well, this is the thing. The VCs were heavily in the top 100, 200 projects. A lot of KOLs are in the meme stuff, but the VCs are in the meme stuff too. Okay. It's the same thing. It's the same game, but it's different. So if you learn how to pivot, you will do well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin and see what's going on. And I'm going to talk about XRP tomorrow. There's some news that came out, but I've got a bunch of people coming over today. First, I really just kind of want to talk about the Bitcoin. We'll go ahead and remove this here. I want to talk about the Bitcoin, and then we'll get into a couple other ones if I see anything that looks good. So this is going to be the monthly. And right now we're red, but the fact that we got a swing look low to $59,000, we're currently trading at 62. That's bullish, even though we're in the red on the monthly. Taking a look at the weekly, we open at 65. Currently at 62.5. Then taking a look at swing look low to $60,000. No, I'm not going to talk about it right now because I haven't prepped. You could go back and watch the stream on YouTube though. The video, I can't. I don't have the correct information in front of me. I haven't prepped on it. Oh, hey y'all. All right. So now with that being said, this is the weekly. So we're going to go ahead and mark the open at 65.7. Swing wick low at 60,000 and currently trading at 62. Okay. I would like to get a close above 64, but we'll see. We'll see. Now taking a look at the daily, and Market CIPHER just printed a green dot, so that's good. So we might actually get that close. We might get a little bit of a close above the $64,000. So the daily is, looking a little bit good. And take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour popped up. We got right above that area of resistance, and then we'll see what happens. And then this chart over here. So we got this 62 area. This is my baby chart over here, my baby. This was an important line. This indicated these 2 4 hours. And I think on the daily too, we saw some cross action there. Yeah, we saw the swing wick high on the daily yesterday, the swing wick high on the 2nd. So me personally, I want to see us close above that. Just as long as we close above 62.3, good. That'll be good for me. But right now, even though the candle is a little bit ugly for the weekly, and make sure you guys smash like and share this. Good morning, Mr. R. Mr. R, Mr. R. Hey. The fact that we had a swing look low to like 59,000, but we're trading at 62, 63,000, that's bullish to me. I like it. And that's all that we can get for right now. And again, we broke out of that higher low, lower high. I always get those two confused. And now we've created another area over here. So let's see what that looks like on the thing. So really we need to get back above 67,000 for like full on bullishness, full on bull-tardness. I'm fine with that. But right now, Bitcoin's doing its thing. Meme coins are popping off. They have slowed down a little bit, but there's still opportunities. There's also rumors of a SUI season, of a METIS season for altcoins, BNB season. So we'll see what happens with that. But pay attention to those three. Obviously, Solana's meme coins, those aren't going to stop anytime soon. And Moonshot, that UI UX is absolutely amazing. I have a ref link down there for you guys. I might actually make a video on how to use it because it's super easy to use. I get meme coins, you get meme coins, and it's absolutely amazing. But they're not paying me just to show you guys how to do it. But anyways, but again, the chains to watch: BNB, METIS, and SUI. Also, too, shout out to Simon's cat. If you know, you know. All right. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Shout out to Mr. Neil. Mr. R. Shout out to everybody that's here. And if you guys want to donate to the the Cajun Navy, That would be amazing. If not, that's fine. But that's where, if you guys are sending me a super chat, you donate there, and I will take a look at your altcoin request first. All right, so now taking a look at Ethereum. Let's go ahead and look at this chart over here. All right, so we broke out. We broke out on the weekly, but now we're down. So let's go ahead and do a fresh naked chart and see what's going on. Let's see what's going on over here. Let me make sure you guys see the screen. All right, so Ethereum, we opened at 26.5. Swing wick low to 23, and currently trading at 24. So Ethereum is really, if you look at it, we're really in like a larger range with Ethereum. This is how I'm going to process this information and just say we're in a range. So we're in a range between 28 and 21. And we've been in this range. Actually, we were here for a while back in 2023, and then we broke out, and then we broke down. So me personally, I need to see us break out of $2,800. Now taking a look at the daily, daily's looking nice. And these are our air levels over here. Now, as far as Solana goes, Solana is trading at 145. Looks really nice. It's just really bouncing off of the fib areas really nicely. So if you're playing these levels, good for you. And that range is going to be between 157 and about 119. So there's really nothing I can say about Solana unless you're trading the short term, but just you can play these ranges over here. I do want to take a look at SUI because, again, I think that there might be, oh, noob crypto traders. Yeah, I know. I've only been trading since 2018. Thank you. All right, now taking a look at SUI. We had some retraces and whatnot, but let's go ahead and go to remove the drawings. Let's go to the weekly. This is what SUI looks like on the weekly, okay? This is what, no, I'm born and raised LA County, Los Angeles County. All right, so SUI's all-time high was back in 2024, around April. And then we got a swing wick high to $2, and then we retraced to about 183. This does look like we will continue to go up, though. I wish I would have bought down over here at 76 cents, but I didn't. Let's go ahead and talk about what SUI would look like if we did get, we went in price discovery. Just for fun. Price range. Nope, wrong one here. Here you go. Go. All right. So this would be our price range for SUI. So if we break above 217, which is the all-time high, I would look to 243 and then 269. However, generally when you hit resistance, you get a rejection. So be cautious there. And we do need to get above 191 because that is the, these are the candle butts. Taking a look at the daily. Yeah, this would be a good area to get above. Daily's looking nice though. Like we're actually going to retest 192. So daily's looking nice over here. I don't know anything about that. So there's that. What else? I know that Cardano, SUI, and I know that there's some beef with Charles Hodgkinson. We'll talk about that on Monday. What else? I think that was it. Was there anything else? Oh, METIS. I want to take a look at METIS. METIS. All right, let's take a look. Oh, wow. I remember this one from last cycle. All right, so this is METIS. I think that there's going to be a run with here. We'll see, though. We'll see. I don't know. This is actually a good time to buy. Also, too, I have invested in this. Hopefully, some of these will end up coming back. Again, we've got bottomed out area here at $26, currently trading at $35. Then we've got the 41 resistance area over here. So this is a pretty nice range. So we'll see what happens with that. So anyways, that's what's going on with the markets. And as far as we know, we need to see Bitcoin really kind of close above 63,000. Really close above 63,000. But if not, it's okay. All right, you guys, let's see. Somebody said turbo. Yeah, SUI does have a lot of token releases, a lot. So that's another thing to be cautious with. And another thing I'm going to say for you, tell you guys also too, any of the projects we talk about, look at the unlocks. That's your responsibility. Solana, look at the unlocks. SUI, look at the unlocks. Look at all these things, okay? But anyways, I got to get going. I got some family coming over, friends, in about an hour, and I still have a little bit of work to do. But anyway, sending y'all love and light. Make sure to share this video. And again, prayers and love to everybody that's been impacted by Helene. Cajun Navy Rescue. That's where I've sent my money to, and my cousin who's currently has boots on the ground. Sending y'all love and light. Bye. Bye, babies. Go Hawks.